Let us start our day with one inspirational quote. Work hard in silence. Let your success make noise. I repeat, work hard in silence. Let your success make noise. So, dear children, are you ready with your book copy and compass? Hope you have completed your copies that was studied in our last video, and you must have done enough practice of 7-digit subtraction also. Okay, so let us move on towards the word problems based on them. So question number 1. First question is an example, then we will move towards the problem set. In 2001, the population of a city was 21,43,567. In 2011, it was 28,09,878. By how much did the population grow? What two numbers are given here? First number is this, second number is this. What is the first number? Population of a city in 2001. And what is second number? It is population of a city in the year 2011. So write down this in the given part. The population of city in the year 2001, population of the city in the year 2011. Next sentence is, by how much did the population grow? Okay, so कितने से ज़्यादा बढ़ी है? For such type of questions, we always do subtraction. Okay, so write down the second sentence in your own word for to find out part. So the growth of population from 2001 to 2011. Write down the second sentence of the question in your own words. So to find out will be growth of population from 2001 to 2011. Obviously, I just now have told you that we have to do subtraction here. For such type of questions, we always do subtraction. So now in the method part, we actually do the subtraction. First step is to arrange the numbers one below the another in proper pattern. Keep 2 borrow lines and 1 answer line. Okay, 8 minus 7, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 0 minus 4, not possible. Ask for a borrow. So this 8 will become 7 after giving a borrow to its previous place. And this 0 will become 10 after getting a borrow. So 10 minus 4 will be 6. 7 minus 1 will be 6. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So what is the answer we have got? 6,66,311. So write down this answer in your own word from the to find out, that is the growth of population from 2001 to 2011 is 6,66,311. Now move on to problem set 12. Question number 1. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? What is the two numbers given here? This is first number. That is what? That is the cost of laptop. Laptop worth rupees this. What is the sentence? Laptop worth rupees this. It means that it's a cost of laptop. And he had so many amount. He has so many amounts. So what we can write here? Cost of laptop is this, and the total amount with Prathamesh is this. Okay, so amount with Prathamesh is 22,975 and the cost of laptop is 27,450. What is the second sentence? What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? You can directly write down the same sentence in the to find out also, or you can write in your own words. So how much more amount is required by the Prathamesh? Okay, so what is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? This sentence tells us that we need to do subtraction here. So operation will be subtraction. First step is to arrange the numbers in a proper pattern. Now start subtraction. 0 minus 5, not possible. Ask for a borrow. This 5 will become 4 after giving borrow to the previous place. Hence this 0 will become 10 and this 10 minus 5 will be 5. Now 4 minus 7, again not possible. He will again ask for a borrow. चलो मुझे help चाहिए. He will ask to borrow to the next place. Borrow माने help मांगता है, वो next place से help मांगेगा. So after getting a help from the previous place, next place, this 4 will become 14 and उसको help देने के बाद ये 4 का क्या बन जाएगा? 3. So this 4 will become 3 after giving a borrow its previous place, and this 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 will be 7. Now 3 minus 9, again not possible. He will again ask for a borrow to the next place. See, we always ask borrow to the next place, not to the previous place. इसके पहले वाले डिजिट को वो कभी भी बोरो नहीं मांगता है, वो उसके नेक्स्ट वाले प्लेस को बोरो मांगेगा. So this 3 will become 13, and 13 minus 9 will be 4. 6 minus 2 will be 4. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So what the answer? 4475. What is this number? This is the amount, more amount required by Prathamesh to buy the laptop. So write down it in proper sentence. So just replace this how much by the number. So therefore Prathamesh wants 4475 rupees more will be required by the Prathamesh. Second question. A company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. Next means next year. First year इतना प्रोडक्शन हुआ, नेक्स्ट ईयर इतना प्रोडक्शन हुआ. ओके, इन फर्स्ट ईयर so many scooters were produced, in the next year so many scooters were produced. So how many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? So in the what the two numbers are given here, first number is 44,730. So many scooters were produced in last year, and so many scooters were produced in the next year. Write down it in the given part. Next, how many more? See, the word how many more itself tells us we need to do subtraction here. So write down this sentence in your to find out part. So how many more scooters were produced in the previous year? We already know that. Second sentence is our to find out, that we write down it to find out part. Next, how many more tells us we need to do subtraction here. So in the method part we actually do the subtraction. So very first step is to arrange the numbers one below the another and then start subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 5, not possible. Ask for a borrow. So this 7 will become 6 and this 3 will become 13 after getting a borrow. Now 13 minus 5 will be 8. 6 minus 1 will be 5. 4 minus 3 will be 1. 4 minus 4 will be 0. Therefore 1580 more scooters were produced in the previous year. Which year has produced more? In the first year or previous year or next year? See, previous year scooters are more. Hence, more scooters were produced in the previous year. You have to be very precise in writing the answer. There are two answers. First is the number and second is the year. Which year? Previous year or next year?